back at you with another video. This one here is a tool haul video. Alright, I'm sure you already seen the video on this one. Picked this one up off the Cornwell truck right here. Alright, and please like and subscribe, guys. Helps the channel out a lot. Don't cost nothing. And here we got a couple sets of sockets. Already got the 3/8, so I bought the 1/2 inch and 1/4. These are 12 points. I had several times now that I needed some 12 points, and I just got a little tired of it. So I figured, well, I just make my sets complete with the 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch drive. So here's the number right there. That's the number on the 1/4 inch drive 12 point. I have no idea what the number is on the 1/2 inch drive, but here you are. Full set goes from 24 down to 12, and then on the 1/4, I don't think I ever needed this small, but 4 mil down to, I think it was 15. Yep, 15 right there. Same thing, 12 point. So I'm going to set those up in the drawer. And then I got me a couple sets of ratchet wrenches here. Part number on this, 85488. And these are the I think they'll come in handy. So this a full set, goes from 8 mil all the way down up to 19 mil. And I got me this right here. Number, give me a second here. Number on that right there, 85698. And these are the these are the locking flax heads. It's got the arrows on it, so you know which way the ratchet is going. I had the non-locking flex sets from Gearwrench, and I didn't like them one bit. So, and I think these might work out better, but we'll put them to the paces, and we'll let you know how they do. Same thing here. This set goes from 8 mil all the way up to 19 mil, no skips. Next thing I got, and I found this thing here, and I thought that was pretty slick. Oh, y'all probably want a part number. Here it is, part number 2517, D as in dog. As you can tell, it's a tube bender, but non-mechanical, and I like that. So you can just stick it in here and make the bend. I got one of these cheap ones here. Oh, got it in the other drawer, never mind. And I just don't really like it. And yeah, I think this will work out pretty good. So we'll let you know how this one holds up, but no moving parts, which I like. I'm sure that'll work out pretty good. Now, and then the next thing here, I thought that was pretty cool. This here's a Robin Air. Part number 42071. And this is a ratcheting tube cutter. And then you can see the blade coming up. Right there, it's the blade. I thought that was pretty slick. So these would be great for using under the car and in tight areas, and you still give yourself some leverage. So yeah, we'll let you know how this holds up and how it does. And yeah, well, that's it for the tool haul. And if you got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box, and we'll get with you on that. And then yeah, we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. All right, y'all have a good one, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.